Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today was a very tricky day and it was full of big moves on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. At a moment you'll feel that the Nifty or Bank Nifty is bouncing back, but again it will continue the downfall, and that's what happened on both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So let's see now how it will go about this fall. So what happened today? So yesterday we were talking about this gap, right, on Nifty, that this has to fill this gap, and then only it will continue the upward journey. So at the start it opened around this level 650, and from that continuous fall, right? So at this point it was clear that we may take support around this area, and you can see there is a candle which is around 115, right? So this actually was taking support around this, and at this point even I was thinking, as we had discussed yesterday, that there is a crossover around this area, right, where it might take a support. This will act as a good support, but it did not go our way. From here it showed that it is about to take the support, but then next candle broke all the important supports, right? So here you can see now we are in a tricky area where see, so first support, then second, third, fourth, and now we have broken that as well. So we have broken this level, we have broken this level, and all these levels, right? So the only level it could hold I could see is this 350, but otherwise uh, RSI for 1 hour has gone down below 40, right? Even you can see for daily, as yesterday it was above 60, I was thinking that there will be a short fall and then it may take up, but it happened exactly opposite, and it has started going down. So RSI as well has dropped to around 49, right? And I feel that there might be one or two pullbacks here, but now it is clear that the levels on these side, right, on the lower side, we will first achieve them and then only continue the upward move. And uh, this is on, if I look at the chart on daily basis, and on weekly it is bit surprising. So all the other indicators are negative. You can see here it has created a long wick, and we are we may go down this route where these are the levels we want to achieve. But there is only one positive thing, which is RSI. RSI is still above 60, and let's see how this plays out, because usually whenever RSI goes above 60 it stays for there for some time, and it starts taking support around 60 area, and that's what will happen here as well. That's my assumption, and that's what I feel. But otherwise overall there is a bearishness, or there is a weak market as of now. So that's about Nifty. So if you are planning to trade tomorrow, what will be the levels? Let's have a look at that. Yeah, so tomorrow, let's say if we start going up, right, so in that case these levels will be like 18500 and then 525. These two levels will be very key levels where we'll face a lot of resistance, and I feel that it will be very difficult for us to cross these two levels. And again, as I said, my bullishness will start only above this 18700, but as of now the market, as long as it stays below this, I will not take any long, so that's for sure. So for tomorrow, we discussed this upper side, but on lower side let's try to find out if there are any supports left, right? So this is one of the support. Here you can see there is a gap as well. So this is first support, which is 18300, and then, as we have discussed this in earlier videos as well, that this area around 150, this could be acting as a second support, right? So there are two levels on the downside. So this is the first 300, and this is the second 150. So these are the key levels below which there is a extreme weakness as well. So these are the levels where we need to keep an eye on. And on the upper side, as I said, we need to take out 500 and 600, then only we can consider this as a reversal from the top, right, or bounce back from the top. So that's about Nifty. On Bank Nifty, similar thing happened. This was the trend line, the resistance one, and I said that I'm bullish on Bank Nifty, but you can see what happened. Bank Nifty as well followed the Nifty and started falling down at the start of the market here, right? So at the start it showed some bullishness, but whereas you can see on Nifty it was the first candle which is red, but on Bank Nifty you can see there are first two candles which are in green, and then it started the fall, right? So our assumption that Bank Nifty is stronger than Nifty was good enough, but then as the whole market started going down, it followed that, right? And as we discussed, this was the key support level where it took some break. This was the key support level, but then as soon as this candle started, it broke all the levels and down to this level. So even we have discussed this level as well, that if Bank Nifty goes below this, what I have said is 43300, there is a weakness which could take us around 43100 and even 42900, right? So these are the levels. So tomorrow what you can do is, at the start don't short the market, because there is a chance that as this is a support area, it may take some support here and show some retracement, right? So watch out for these levels, and you can, maybe if you are planning to short, you can short around 43500 level with a very small stop loss of 50 points or 100 points, but not more than that, right? And then it may continue till here, so that's we need to check. And these are the key levels for tomorrow. If we break, let's say 43300, it is directly going to this level then, right? So it'll try to break these levels as well. So that's on the downside, and if you are planning to short the market. But on the upper side, right, so if we see a closing, hourly closing above this candle, which means above 43500, in that case we can plan longs as well, right? So if there is a strong candle, then only we can plan that. Otherwise we will be shorting the market when it reaches here. So yeah, that's about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on higher time frames, here you can see on hourly it has gone down. On daily it is around the support, and on weekly basis it is still above. And similar candle pattern on weekly basis for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Here you can see, so sellers are very active and they are trying to push down the price on weekly basis. So tomorrow is the last day of the week, so it is interesting to see whether this candle turns into green or stays red, right? So based on that, maybe next week's analysis we can do, but otherwise most probably looks like this will be a red candle, or even if it is a green candle, it will be very small body of the candle, right? So that's my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. But for now, any retracement, I'll try to take short on the market with very small stop loss. That's for tomorrow, right? So thanks for watching.